Row 18, plot 20.
Let's get dangerous.
Hey everybody, welcome to the JLAmember channel. Today I have a big box of Funko Pops. I would probably not have ordered these Funko Pops except for this ridiculous deal. This was a 7-pack bundle. It's all of the Marvel Eternals. Well, I don't know that it's all of them, but it's 7 of the Funko Marvel Eternals. This is from popinabox.com. And the entire set of 7 Funkos was only $16. So that's good and bad. Good because that's a really good price. But bad, it's a bad sign of how these Funkos. So this is how they came boxed. Absolutely zero packaging. I find that to be interesting. The bottom is really like a little beat up, so this is definitely a box that's been reused. I suppose maybe they didn't invest in packaging when they're selling these basically probably below cost. But let's take a look. There are 7 of them. They kind of at first look seem to be in pretty good shape. I'm not sure if I'm going to do these as openers at some point. I am running out of space. So here is, in no particular order. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on the back. So I have 7 of the 12. I don't know that I'm going to try to complete a set here, because the Eternals, for a lot of people, the movie was just meh, just okay, or they hated it altogether. I think it's one of the worst. When I see a movie like the Eternals, I count it as hopefully it's laying seeds, it's world building, so to speak. So we're introduced to characters like Harry Styles, Star Fox, and Pip the Troll, and as we'll find out soon in some of the upcoming things with the Celestials, there's Thena. So I count it as one of those movies that's probably gonna do stuff. That's not a big deal. That's just a small little smush, maybe not even. Her stand is loose in there, so that's typically pretty well secured in there. So I'm gonna say this was probably opened at one point. There's some damage there. So maybe this was like a collection that was bought out. This is KRO. I don't even remember. This is one of those Marvel movies though that I only did watch once. A lot of times I'll see these in theater and then do it again on digital a few times. But Eternals is not one of those movies that I have watched over and over like I have others. Even like Ant-Man I watched several times. Just looking for Easter eggs and things that I've missed or may have missed. I'd say overall the box conditions are really good. Like, other than just a few minor nicks. Trying to see in there. It looks like the plastic is a little squished. Like, these may have been out of the box for a while. Out of their individual boxes. But it's hard to buy 7 Funko Pops for $16, and it was only $4.99 for shipping. So like I've paid way more for shipping for things. So for basically 22 bucks. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I can't tell if that's the way that's supposed to be in there or not. This one we may have to open right now and figure out if that is how it's supposed to be boxed. I can't imagine. Maybe it looks like the plastic mold in there does. Boy, that's a really awkward way to package. Let's I like to slide like this little envelope Yeah, this is not opening very easily. Just want to see. Oh yeah, I guess it is. It's got the stand. Kind of not a very good, well packaged. Like, I don't know. A lot of the appeal of the Funkos is to be able to see their face, you know, front view. Alright, and then I'm glad this one is in it because I'm hoping that this character, even though it's in street clothes, Black Knight should be, if they stop rewriting the Blade script. I know at one time Dane Whitman, Black Knight with the ebony sword, what is, I don't know if I'm calling the sword correctly, but supposed to be in Blade. So this is 7 out of the 12. So if I find the other 5 for a good deal, I'll pick them up. But for now, I've got 7 for only $16. Check popinabox.com and see if these are still available, if it's something that you want to just pick up just because of the ridiculous price. I don't know if maybe there's 1 or 2 of these you need to finish your set, or customize them, or give them away to grandma for Mother's Day or something. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this price. 16 bucks for 7 Funkos, all the Eternals.
So have your dream. Go on and sing your song. There's nothing wrong with singing out of tune. If people laugh and say your dream can never be, just think of